What's going on there, YouTube? Keith here. Well, we are in West Virginia on top of a 7%, 5 mile long hill. Hit this storm head on, and needs to say, it is a mess. Check this out. We got cars, more trucks. I mean, it is just coming down, folks. Let's see. But as you can see, all the way off the ramp, all the way up the ramp. Storm hit pretty good, guys, so if you could try to find safe parking. I mean, if you look down here, I mean, just all you see are trucks, cars and trucks trying to make it down the hill. Well, whew. Yeah. Ugh. Yeah. If you could, guys, if you're stuck in a storm, highly recommended. Find a safe place to park and shut it down. I'm at actually behind me is the mandatory truck stop to check your brakes before coming down this hill. And I'm actually just outside of it, being there was vehicles already parked on the inside, and this snow does not look like it's letting up anytime soon. The plows are coming, but the problem is they're not dropping any rock salt or sand down, so this whole area is going to just be one big sheet of ice. Again, I'm out here, I think it's Sandy Stone Mountain in West Virginia. But anyway, guys, be safe, and if you could, if you're stuck in a storm, get parked, play it safe. Have a good one.